In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Facebook so that their posts stop appearing in your feed. First thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app. Now for the first method, tap on the search bar. Here you want to type in their username. After that, open their profile and here tap on the following option. Here you will have the option of unfollow. Go ahead and tap on that. After that, you want to head back. Now for the second method, you simply want to scroll through your feed, and once you find a profile you want to unfollow, simply tap on the three dots, then find the option of unfollow and tap on that. Now if you want to unfollow multiple people at once, then there is a bulk option. For that, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, select settings and privacy, then tap settings. From here, find the option of content preferences. Now look for the unfollow section. Tap on that. Now, you will find a list of friends, pages, and groups that you follow. You can go through the list and tap unfollow on as many as you want. This is one of the fastest ways to clean up your entire feed in just a few minutes. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.